Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start studying Standard 8 SSC Board. Again, I am going to remind you that second term portion has been started. So I am starting with lesson number 10, Division of Polynomials. Initially, in your textbook, page number 61, there is filling the blank. So we'll start solving that first, and then we will go to the exercise. The first one, it says 2a plus 3a. So a is the common like term, so we will write a, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So answer will be 5a. It says again minus है यहाँ पे. So again b and b is the like term. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So 3b. Again the third sum, p and p square, right? So sorry, यहाँ पे multiplication की sign है. So p into p will give me p cube, and nothing is there means 1 is there. So we know 3 ones are is 3. The fourth one, again I have a multiplication sign. We have studied in indices, you have to write the number which is at the base, and then index you have to add. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So m raised to 4 and 5 3s are 15. And next sum you can see you have to multiply this term with the first term. So you can see here 2x into 3 upon x. So x and x will be cancelled, and 2 3s are, I'm writing here 6. Then I have a plus sign, and then 5y into 3 upon x. So I have to multiply the second term. So here nothing is cancelling, so 3 5s are 15. I have y upon x. So the answer will be 6 plus 15y upon x. Okay, now here I have to solve the sixth sum. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break the first box, and I'm going to keep the second box as it is. So I'm writing 3x square. I'll write the second box 2x plus 3y. Then I'll write the second part of the first box, and then I'm writing the second bracket again. So this is how I break my first bracket. Then I have to do as I did in the last sum. You have to multiply this with this, and then this with this. So x into x square and x. I told you nothing is there means 1. So 2 plus 1 gives me c. So it becomes x cube, and 3 2s are is 6. Now come to the second one, x square into y, it will be x square y because they are not like terms, so as it is you have to write, and 3 3s are gives me 9. Moving forward, again no like terms, so I'll write xy, and 4 2s are 8. Going forward, now I have like terms, so y into y becomes y square, and 3 4s are 12. Okay, so this will only be the answer for the sixth sum. Okay students, on the same page of the textbook, that is page number 61, there is the heading given down. You can see degree of the polynomial. Now there are two exercises. Example 1, the greatest index of a variable in the polynomial 3x square plus 4x is, and the answer is given to you, that is 2. Okay, the second example we have to do, the greatest index of a variable in a polynomial 7x cube plus 5x plus 4x raised to 5 2x square is. Now students, here you have to see the highest number is 5. So here I am going to write 5. So I hope you understood greatest index is 5. Okay, now we come to page number 62. Again it says divide 15p cube divided by 3p. So here you can see 3 के table में 15 comes in 5 times, so normal division is done, and p into p square will give us p cube. Now we go on to the second example. Again it says divide and write the correct terms in the boxes. So the first sum here is minus 36x raised to 4 minus 9x. So I have written here division. I know in 9 ka table 4 times is 36. So I write here 36 and I write the minus sign. Now what to do with the x terms? Here I have 1x, and here is 4. So 4 minus 1 will give me 3. So what should I add here? X cube. So यहाँ पे आएगा x4 and the remainder will be 0. I hope you are understanding. It's very easy. Okay, now let's see the second example. It says 5m square divided by minus m. So what do I do here? Now माइनस साइन तो मुझे लिखना है बिकॉज माइनस है डिवीजन में, कुछ नहीं है मतलब 1 है. सो 1 के टेबल में 5 कितनी बार जाएगा? 5 टाइम्स. और m है और यहाँ पे m स्क्वायर है, तो स्क्वायर है और कुछ नहीं है मतलब 1 है. सो 2 minus 1 will give me 1. So m raised to 1. So I have to multiply by m. That will give me 5m square. Again the remainder is 0. Okay, now coming to the third example, that is minus 20y raised to 5 divided by 2y raised to 3. Okay, so I know in 2's table 20 will go 10 times. So I am writing minus sign here because यहाँ पे minus है. So 2 times is 20. Now what to do about y? As I told you, 5 है, 5 में से 3 जाएगा तो कितना बचेगा? 2. So I have to multiply by y square. So what do I get? Again 0 as the remainder. So now I hope that you have understood the solved examples. So you can start with the practice set 10.1 exercise. It has only one question, and in that one question we have 10 sub questions. So the first question says divide and write the quotient and the remainder, and in that the first one is 21m square divided by 7m. So I know in 7's table 21 goes 3 times, so 7 3s are 21, and I told you यहाँ पे square है, square minus 1 gives me 1, so I have to multiply by 1. So m square, and the answer is 0. Now students, you have to write quotient and remainder. So this is the question. So 3m is the quotient and remainder I got is 0. Okay, so the second sum is 40a cube divided by minus 10a. So I know in 10's table 40 goes 4 times and minus sign is there, so I am writing minus 4. So I get minus 40 here. Again the same formula, 3 and यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, that is 1. So 3 minus 1 is square, so I have to multiply by a square. So I get a cube. I hope you are finding them very easy. So the quotient is minus 4a square and the remainder is 0. Okay, the third sum is minus 48p raised to 4 divided by minus 9p square. Now students, you can see that in 9 table 48 does not go. I know 9 5 is 45 and 9 6 is 54. So इनके बीच में 48 है. So how do I do this now? After multiply 9 with such a number that the answer should be 48. So I know 16 का table, 16 3s is 48. So if I cut 3 1s are, 3 3s are, so I get 16 3s are 48, right? So what do? I multiply by 16 divided by 3. So this तो हो गया उसका, and then you know minus sign gets cancelled, so no need to put a minus sign here, and p4 minus 2 will give me p square. So p square, and here you write 48 p raised to 4 minus 0 0. So here what's the quotient? Quotient is 16 upon 3 p square and remainder is 0. Coming to the fourth sum, it says 40m raised to 5 divided by 30m cube. So I know in 30's table 40 does not come. So what should I multiply by 30 so that I get an answer as 40? I know that if I cancel here and write 10 and 4, so I know 10 4s is 40. So what should be here the number? 3. So I'm going to multiply 4 upon 3. So I will get here 40. Now what about m? I know m5 minus m3 will give me m square. So I'm multiplying by m square, so I'll get m5. Again the remainder is 0. So quotient is 4 upon 3 m square and remainder is 0. Okay, so coming to the fifth sum. Here you can see, students, now we have come to 2 terms. Now nothing is there means 1 is there. In 1 ka table 5 will go 5 times. So I have written 5 and x cube है, cube में से square निकालो तो 1 बचेगा, so multiply by 5x, so you'll get 5x cube. Now once you get 0, like your normal division, the next term comes down, that is 3x square. Again in 1's table 3 will go 3 times, so I'll write 3, and because minus sign is there, I'm going to put a minus sign. And already I have x square minus 2, so that will give me 0, so means no need to write x here. I can directly write 3x square. All these terms gets cancelled and we get a 0. So again here the quotient is 5x minus 3 and the remainder is 0. Okay, the sixth sum says 8p cube minus 4p square divided by 2p square. So in 2's table 8 goes 4 times, so 2 4s are 8 and 3 minus 2 is 1. Seventh sum, 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3 divided by 2y. So 2 के table में 2 1 times जाता है, so I'm going to write 1, and 3 minus 2 is 1y, so I'm going to write 1y, or you can also write only y. So 2y cube, the sign gets cancelled, so this becomes 0. The next term comes down, that is 4y square. Again in 2's table 4 goes 2 times and square cancel, there is a plus sign in between, so I write 4y square, change the sign, this gets cancelled, becomes 0, and plus 3 comes down. Now 3 doesn't go in 2 ka table and you also don't have the variable there, so you are going to stop the sum here. So now the quotient is y plus 2 and the remainder is 3. Coming to the 8th sum, 21x raised to 4 minus 14x square plus 7x and divided by 7x cube. So 7 के table में 21 3 times जाता है and 4 minus 3 is 1. So I'll just write that, I'll change the sign, this cancel out, this becomes 0. The next term comes down, 14x square. Now students, you cannot multiply the smaller index with the larger index, so this term will also come down and this becomes the remainder. So quotient here is 3x and remainder is minus 14x square plus 7x. Okay, coming to the 9th sum, it says 6x raised to 5 minus 4x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square divided by 2x square. Okay, in 2 ka table 6 goes 3 times and 5 minus 2 is 3, so 6x raised to 5, you change the sign, this terms cancel out, it becomes 0. The next term comes down, that is minus 4x raised to 4. Again in 2 ka table 4 goes 2 times. Now because there is a minus sign, I have to write minus here, so 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. I'm talking about the indexes, so I get x raised to 4. Again I have to change the sign, the term gets cancelled, I get a 0. The third term comes down now, 8x cube. In 2's table 8 goes 4 times. There's a plus sign, so I'm writing plus here. So 8 and 3 minus 2 is 1, so I write 4x. So I get cube. I change the sign, this cancel out, I get a 0, and the last term comes down, that is 2x square. Now 2x square is same as the divisor, so I just write here plus 1. So 2x square, change the sign, it becomes 0, the entire things get cancelled. So my quotient is 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 1 and the remainder is 0. So coming to the last sum of the exercise, that is 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8 divided by 5m cube. So I know in 5's table 25 goes 5 times and 4 minus 3 is 1. So I'll divide by 1, that is index I'm talking about. 24 m4, change the sign, this gets cancelled, I get a 0, and the next term comes down, that is 15m cube. In 5's table 15 goes 3 times, there's a minus sign, so I've put a fifth minus sign already, and cube gets cancelled, so no need to write any m here. This will get cancelled, this becomes 0. The next term, that is 10 raised to m. Now students, यहाँ पे कुछ भी index नहीं है, so I cannot divide this, so I take next two terms and keep it as a remainder. So my quotient is 5m minus 3 and my remainder is 10m plus 8. So that's it for today. If you have understood, well and good. If you have not, you can watch the video again and try to understand. It is very easy division. So thank you, and do comment what you want next.